Hi guys, I'm Rich. Let's go through my top 5 things to watch for the week ahead in markets. Number 1, the Fed rate decision. Of the 4 major central bank meetings this week, the Federal Reserve policy decision on Wednesday will top the list. The Fed is widely expected to hike rates by another 50 basis points from 0.75-1% to 1.25-1.75% in order to bring down decade-high US inflation. The dollar looks strong heading into the meeting, with dollar-yen at 20-year high and euro-dollar pressing into its 2017 low. If the Fed keeps up its hawkish message, it's hard to see the dollar uptrend reversing. Number 2, Bank of England meeting. The Bank of England has been steadily raising rates, which in of themselves should be bullish for the British pound. However, at the last meeting, the rate hike was accompanied by a gloomy forecast for the UK economy, with BOE Governor Bailey warning the UK could be heading into recession this year. Normally, a central bank won't hike rates when there is a recession, hence an apparent bottom in the euro-pound cross, which is now back over 0.85. Number 3, the Bank of Japan meeting. Still the obvious outlier among the major banks, the BOJ has been steadfast with its dovish intentions. BOJ Governor Kuroda had to walk back comments that Japanese households accept higher prices last week. Perhaps a sign that political pressure could eventually force the central bank from monetary easing to tightening. For now, Kuroda is insistent the central bank must maintain its easing policy to support the economic recovery, and the Japanese yen is slumping as a result. Number 4, the SNB meeting. Swiss inflation reached 2.5% in April, its highest level since 2008, and outside the SNB's goal of 0-2%, the Swiss National Bank has in the last fortnight indicated it has no problem fighting inflation when needed. But that's not quite true. The SNB has accumulated $1 trillion worth of government bonds and even US equities to force down the value of the franc. Despite that, the Euro-Swissy pair dropped to parity this year. Abandoning asset purchases could cause even more strength in the Swiss franc, already in demand as a haven after the invasion of Ukraine. Number 5, economic data. Outside of the big central banks, there is other economic data to contend with this week, though it might take a back seat. There is UK industrial production on Monday, UK unemployment on Tuesday, as well as German ZOO. Wednesday sees China industrial production and retail sales, and US retail sales is always an important one. Thursday sees Australian unemployment, with the economic calendar quiet on Friday. You can of course click the link in the description below to see the full economic calendar with the previous month's data and consensus expectation for this time. Thanks everyone, good luck trading this week, and please remember to smash that like button and hit subscribe so you don't miss more content like this when it's released.